Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you the Android setting that restricts Grok while it runs in the background. Start on the home screen and swipe up to open the app drawer. Move to the page containing Grok, then press and hold the Grok icon until the shortcut menu appears. Tap App Info near the top right of the menu. Android opens Grok's system information page. Find battery in the usage section and tap it. The Use Details page opens with 3 choices. On this phone, Optimized is currently selected, which is the recommended baseline for most apps. Review what each option says before changing it. Unrestricted allows background battery use without limits and may reduce battery life. Optimized lets Android manage the app based on your usage. Restricted is the strongest background limit on this screen. Its description specifically mentions restricting battery usage while the app runs in the background. To apply that limit, tap Restricted. The blue selection circle moves to Restricted immediately. Read the warning underneath. Grok may not work as expected, and notifications may be delayed. This option limits ongoing background activity. It is not the same as permanently disabling the app, and opening Grok again can still run it in the foreground. Use Restricted only if that trade-off matches what you want. If you depend on timely Grok alerts or background work, Optimized is the safer normal setting. For this demonstration, tap Optimized to restore the original baseline. The blue circle moves back to Optimized, confirming Android will manage Grok using the recommended mode again. Here is the complete path one more time. Open the app drawer, press and hold Grok, and choose App Info. Tap Battery in the Usage section. On the Use Details page, choose Restricted when you want Android to limit Grok's background battery activity. Pay attention to the visible warning about app behavior and delayed notifications. If you change your mind, return to this same page and select Optimized. In this tutorial, Restricted is demonstrated and then Optimized is restored so the phone finishes in its original state. These controls affect background battery behavior, while Grok can still run normally when you open it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android app guides.